Ever wondered what makes Texas so special? Let's start with Austin, the state capital. This city pulsates with a vibrant cultural scene, echoing with music that fills the air from the state capitol to Congress Avenue Bridge and all along the lively 6th Street. But the melody doesn't stop there. Austin serves up a delicious symphony of flavors, with a renowned food scene that's as diverse as its tunes. Live music venues dot the cityscape, adding rhythm to the laid-back atmosphere. Austin truly embodies the spirit of Texas, blending creativity, innovation, and Southern hospitality. Moving on from Austin, we find ourselves in San Antonio, a city steeped in history. Here, the past comes alive in the form of the Alamo, an iconic symbol of Texas's struggle for independence. This 18th century mission-turned-fortress serves as a poignant reminder of the fierce battles fought on these grounds. Just a stone's throw away, the Riverwalk snakes through the heart of the city. This verdant oasis, with its cypress-lined paths and arched stone bridges, offers a tranquil escape from the urban hustle. Further afield, Mission San Jose stands as a testament to San Antonio's Spanish colonial heritage. This grand edifice, with its ornate carvings and bell tower, echoes the enduring influence of the Spanish settlers. Each year, the city bursts into color during Fiesta San Antonio, a vibrant celebration of the city's rich culture and history. From traditional parades to folkloric dances, this week-long festival embodies the spirit of San Antonio. San Antonio offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and Texan pride. Leaving the city behind, we venture into the wild landscapes of Big Bend National Park. An extraordinary mosaic of desert plains, towering canyons, and winding rivers. This vast wilderness is a testament to Texas's rugged beauty. The Chihuahuan Desert unfurls its sandy expanse, punctuated by the dramatic peaks of the Quisos Mountains. The Rio Grande weaves a sinuous path, carving deep, awe-inspiring canyons through the terrain. Here, adventure beckons at every turn. Strap on your hiking boots and explore the network of scenic trails, each unveiling a different facet of the park's diverse ecosystem. Keep your binoculars handy for a spot of birdwatching. You might catch sight of a Colima warbler or a golden eagle soaring above. And after a day of exploration, nothing beats soaking in a natural hot spring. The star-studded Texas sky as your canopy. Big Bend National Park showcases the natural wonders that make Texas a truly special destination. Next, we explore Houston, a city with a vibrant blend of cultures and experiences. Houston is not just the largest city in Texas, it's a melting pot of cultures and a feast for the senses. This dynamic city is home to an array of world-class museums and theaters offering a rich tapestry of art, history, and performances. At the heart of Houston's cultural scene is the Museum District, a vibrant hub of 19 museums, galleries, and cultural centers. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or a science lover, there's a museum here that will captivate your curiosity. Now, let's talk about food. Houston's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. From mouth-watering barbecue and Tex-Mex to delectable Vietnamese and Ethiopian cuisines, you're bound to find something that tickles your palate. And of course, we can't forget Space Center Houston, a gateway to the universe, and a testament to human ingenuity and exploration. Houston's diverse neighborhoods and world-class attractions add to the allure of the Lone Star State. From the bustling city, we retreat to the tranquil beauty of the Texas Hill Country. Here, rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see, adorned with a patchwork of vineyards that invite leisurely exploration. Small towns like Fredericksburg dot the landscape, their German heritage echoing in charming architecture and hearty cuisine. Outdoor enthusiasts will find ample opportunities for hiking, cycling, and wine tasting. The Texas Hill Country offers a peaceful escape, showcasing another facet of Texas' diverse landscapes. As our journey through Texas comes to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the places we've visited. We've immersed ourselves in the vibrant culture of Austin, a city pulsating with creativity, music, and a food scene that's second to none. We've stepped back in time in San Antonio, a city rich in Spanish colonial heritage and brimming with historic sites like the Alamo. We've marveled at the rugged beauty of Big Bend National Park, witnessing its vast wilderness, towering canyons, and winding rivers. And let's not forget Houston, a dynamic city that's a melting pot of cultures, offering world-class museums, theaters, and culinary delights. Each corner of Texas tells a story of resilience, innovation, and Texan pride. From its wide-open spaces and rich history to its southern hospitality, Texas is a destination that truly has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey.